Hey guys, I'm Nick with you today and welcome to another TechSquare video. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 devices are scheduled to be unveiled on its regular timeline in August despite the lack of global market stability due to the pandemic. Although the unveiling event may not follow the traditional unpacking format, Samsung is reportedly going to announce the Galaxy Note 20, Galaxy Fold 2, Galaxy Watch 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 5G variant on that event. In the meantime, there is very little information about the Galaxy Note 20, and with the release date being so close, we are here to let you know everything we know about the Galaxy Note 20. There is not much information available on the possible design of the Galaxy Note 20. The Galaxy Note series is one of the best Android devices out there, and the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 should not be very far from that. According to an early leak of an alleged Galaxy Note 20 protective case, the phablet will have a similar rear camera module as we have seen with the Galaxy S20 Plus or S20 Ultra. Another leak suggested that the upcoming S Pen device might reposition buttons to the right side of the phone. Samsung broke the tradition with last year's Note 10 by putting all the buttons on the left side. The S Pen flagship will be released in more than one variant, however, there is no information regarding the size of the display. Although it is being speculated that the Galaxy Note 20 is extremely likely to feature 120Hz panel. Since the 120Hz refresh rate has become standard for flagship phones this year, Samsung should follow that trend as well with its most premium flagship lineup. However, I hope they do not implement the feature as they have done with the S20 series. Note 20 should have the option to run on QHD resolution at 120Hz refresh rate, but to save battery life, they could implement a dynamic mode. Samsung is also expected to use the cutting-edge LTPO display technology, which will allow the company to achieve a variable refresh rate in an extremely energy-efficient manner. The technology is owned by Apple and has already been implemented by both companies in their smartwatches. The possible camera spec is still a mystery except for few rumors making rounds here and there. From the leaked case, we know for sure that the device has a similar style camera module that was on the Galaxy S20 series. The top-tier Galaxy Note 20 model is likely to feature 108-megapixel sensor and it could achieve a 50 times hybrid zoom through a periscope module. Although it was previously rumored that Note 20 will feature Snapdragon 865 processor, but recent rumors suggest it might come with Snapdragon 865 Plus processor in some select markets. While the international variant is likely to feature the Exynos 992 SoC. The base model is likely to feature 8GB RAM, but we expect more RAM options including 12GB for 5G models. On the storage front, Samsung might take a step back and equip the base model with 128GB of memory instead of 256GB that was on the base Note 10 variant. However, they might introduce a microSD card slot giving more flexibility in storage expansion. There is not a whole lot of information available on the Galaxy Note 20 software. However, the phone is expected to ship with Android 10 out of the box alongside the One UI 2.5 skin on top. The newer version is said to bring Google's navigation gestures to the third-party app launcher. Also, the phone is likely to be one of the first devices to receive Android 11 once it's launched by Google. One UI 2.5 is also expected to bring further improvements in Samsung's S Pen suite of apps. There is no confirmed news on the price or availability of the devices as of yet. Even though the company announces the phone on August timeline, but the availability could change depending on the market situation. The Galaxy S20 series saw a bump in prices and the Note 20 series should also see that effect. However, only time will tell how much the price will be of the Samsung Note 20 series. Anyways, that's all we have so far on the Galaxy Note 20 series. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Press the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.